Today we're going to take a look at the Superdrug Naturally Radiant Brightening Radiance Balm. It is 50ml, it comes in a box, and it says that it is infused with plant extracts and it awakens skin's natural glow and instantly illuminates. So I'm guessing it's to be used under makeup. So let's open the box and take a look. It is in a tube. Oh, excuse the white on my fingers, it's a bit of glue that accidentally got there. So it comes in a tube and it looks very nice and clean. So let's have a look. It's a white cream. Okay, so let's take a look. Just a white cream that just goes into the skin very easily. It's quite liquidy. I've put quite a bit on there, but yeah, it smells nice. Smells like the same smell as all the other products in the Naturally Radiant collection. I've put rather a lot on there, but it rubs in quite well. And I guess it's just a base for your makeup, a moisturising base for your makeup. But yes, it's I think it's £2.94 at Superdrug, and that's what it is. Brightening Radiance Balm. Thanks for looking, guys. Take care until the next one. Bye.